Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can trade Forex on MetaTrader 5 app for beginners. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5 app. And now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaTrader 5 apps on in the screen, where you can see there are lots of Forex symbols in this dashboard. And if you don't find any kind of Forex symbol in this dashboard, then simply tap on the search bar, and you can see there is a 3 options: Forex, metals and indexes. So simply tap on the Forex, and you'll be able to see tons of Forex in here successfully. So let me get back. And now if you want to trade the Forex, then simply tap on any of the symbols. So let's say I want to trade the EUR/USD. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a trade and chart option. So you can choose any of them because the process can't be same. So let me tap on the chart for now, and you can see there is a red and blue kind of icon at the top right corner of this chart, which is just right side of this clock icon. So once you tap on that icon, you'll be able to see there is a sell and buy just pops out, and you can see there is a deviation at the middle of this sell and buy. So if you want to buy or sell, then simply tap on it. Let's say I want to buy, and you'll be able to take a position in here successfully. So let me tap on it again. Okay, so now if you want to see your position in here, then simply tap on the trade which is at the bottom of this chart. And now you can see I have already took the position on EUR/USD, and if you want to close it in profit, then simply slide it to the left, and you can see there is a 3 dots. So once you tap on it, you can simply tap on the close position, and now you need to confirm the close position as well. So once you tap on the close, then you will be able to close it successfully. So basically this is how you can trade Forex on MetaTrader 5 for beginners. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.